Hi there, my name is Vishal from MyWeb, and in this video I'm just going to create a product table for this product form, and I will also create another table for the store or information of more thumbnails data. So basically what we need to create this table, we just need to go to the PHP my admin and create a new table from here. So choose the products and select the field name, counting the field number of columns. I choose the 10 for the now. If we want more, then we will add more columns at that moment. So the first thing is we need a product ID and a product title. See what we have: the product title, category ID, brand name, regular price, selling price. So product title, category ID, the brand ID, and the regular price. This is the regular price, and this is the selling price. The selling price, and after that we have the product thumbnail. Okay, the product thumbnail, and what's next is the description. So for the short description I'll choose the text. So okay, let's just first write this table names, like sorry, column names, short description, and the long description. And what next? Okay, so now I'm also write the status for the now. So this is the status. Now just set the type. So for the product ID, it should be the integer value, and it's auto incremented. And for the product title, I choose the variable character and set the length for the 255. The category ID should be integer, brand ID should be integer. So I just set the 2020. Yeah, the regular price will be variable character, and I store as just 100 characters, not 100 characters. Okay, okay, effective will be fine, and this is also for the selling price. Okay, for the product thumbnail, I choose the variable character and store the length of this 255, because maybe the name will be longer than I expect. Okay, for the short description, I choose the text, and for the long description, I choose the long text. And for the status, I choose the enum for store, like the one value only. Yeah, here is the enum. Okay, so first will be 0, comma, single note, comma, open 1, and 2 also. Yeah. Okay, I again add 2 more column for this. For the first one will be created underscore at, and another one will be updated at. Okay. Okay, so updated at will be showed timestamps, and for the created at, I choose the variable character with 20 length. Yeah, that's fine. Now you click on the save. So after creating this product table, we needed another table for store the more thumbnails data. So what should I do? I just going to do my PHP admin and create a new table for the store thumbnails data. So I just write the table name of the table name is table name will be product thumbnails, and yeah, I just write the thumbnail underscore ID, and another one is the product underscore ID, and yes, this is the thumbnail name, sorry, thumbnail path, and this is that will be thumbnail underscore name. Yeah, that's correct. And another, add another column for the status. And yeah, for store the timestamps for the creation and updation. So I just add created ad and updated ad. Okay, and now just make this terminal id into the auto increment with the primary index. Okay, just you can check this box. Now the product id will be integer also. Okay, that will be fine. So I set up with this 20. The terminal path will, yeah, should be, it should be variable character, and thumbnail name will thumbnail name also should be variable character. Yeah, with 255 characters. And also this, yeah. And as you know, for the status we always prefer to use the enum for store only selected data. 0. Okay, yeah, that's fine. And for the created that, I use the variable character with the 20 length. And for the updated at, I always choose timestamps. Okay, now click on the save, and that's great. Now you have both of the tables of the products. And let me click on this database. Now you have a products table and a product terminals table. For the both of tables, you will use the joins for make the connection between the products and product terminals using as like the primary and foreign key. So after creating this products and product underscore terminals table, yeah, I'm going back to my product.php file. As you can see, we have this form, and when we click on the submit button, so it should be send our front end data to backend PHP and save it into the database. So what should I do? I'm just going to my product.php file and going to the bottom of this product.php file and start a script tag and start our jQuery using the selector using the jQuery, as you can see. Okay, and yeah, I also close this. Yeah, all is working fine. Now when I submit this button of this form, so I need to make a selector of this form. So let's create a selector of this form. So using this id. Okay, as you can see, here is our form. So I just copy this id and make a selector of this id using the using jQuery. So I just hash and our product form, and when I submit on this, it's run a function. When I submit on this product form, so I take a event parameter for prevent from redirection to the another page. So event dot prevent default. Okay, now again I will just print a message for this, like the, I just take a string like the checked. Okay, not this. Yeah, save this. I just saved this page and going back to my product form and refresh and open, and now click on the save. Okay, as you can see in my console, it's print a message which is checked on the line number 194. Okay, so I just remove this line and make ajax request, but before that I create an object of this whole form. So I take a variable and make a form underscore data equals to new form data, and for the security purpose I take this keyword. So I create a ajax request using $.ajax. So I just take the function of the ajax using the jQuery, and I pass a parameter using the object. So I create an object and pass the parameters like the URL, and what we store in the URL, we pass the action page of this product action page. So we have the action folder. In the action folder we have the product underscore action.php, and I type a method. The method will be post. Okay, I will just take this in the post. Yeah, and the third one will be passing the data from using the ajax. So I just take this I just pass this variable though and paste it over here. And which kind of data we are passing? We are passing the JSON data. So I define the data type, which is the JSON. This is the JSON, and also I just content type and just define the false, and also I pass the process data, which also false. Okay, let me take the or other code. Yeah, I just passed this already before that. As you can already you can see on my previous videos. Okay, so after the success, after getting the pass the all the data into the backend, we got a success message from the backend. So we run a success function. So in the function we got a response. In the response, for the now I just print this in the console of all our response from the backend. Okay, okay. After that, I need to create a product underscore action.php file in action folder. So I just copy this file name and going back to my action folder and create a new file, and I pasted the product underscore action.php file, and I start a PHP tag, and for the confirmation I just print all my post method data using the print underscore r and dollar underscore post. Okay, now you save and going back to my browser and I just refresh. Now here we have this network tab. I just open my product form and click on the save directly without putting any data. So as you can see, it's successfully sent all the data into our product underscore action.php because we got the 200 status. I open this and you can see here we have our preloads and here we have our preview of every single form field. If you are missing anyone, we can put the name, or you can also append the new data using this form. So if I pass this Samsung or anything else and when we click on the save, as you can see in the product title we got a Samsung value in the product underscore title key. It's also good. So as you can see in the bottom of this line, here we have the form type which defines its save form. So if dollar underscore post, and this what will be that, which is the form underscore type. If form type equals to, sorry about that, yeah, if form type equals to save, we print a message for the now. Okay, okay, the save check. Now click on the again the save. As you can see, it's already printed the okay for the now. Okay, so now take a variable, a array variable where I store all my things in the array key. So first of all we got this things. Okay, as you can see right here. Okay, so I'm just remove this line and take a array key of the data for the pass all the form data into a array key and insert into our insert it into our method. So first of all what we got is the product underscore title. So in the product title, okay, first of all we need to take a product table name. Let us open the structure, and here we have the product underscore title. Okay, so all the things are okay. So I double post. Yeah, so all is this just copy this lines and Let's copy this category underscore id and brand underscore id, because we want all these table names. Regular price, yeah, just that. Another one, selling price, product thumbnail. Okay, for the product thumbnail, I'm speaking escaping for the now. Short description, and here you have the long description. This is for our long description. Okay, now I'm going back to my network tab and copy this category name. I think I forget the brand, so I'm just going back to my product.php and going to the uh, full name of the brand. Yeah, here we have the brand name. Yeah, it's have the brand name. And okay, so when I choose the mobile and now Samsung, and again click on the save. Yeah, that is the brand name actually. Yeah, that is the brand name. Okay, so I got this is the wrong name. Okay, so before that I need to fix this name of this product underscore form. So yeah, where is the name? Yeah, this is our wrong name. So yeah, here we have the product underscore title. So again I save, and in the action page I also paste it over here. This is the brand name, and let's take a look. And the regular price, this is the what is the name of the regular price, and just check. Yeah, here is the regular price. The field name is regular price, and this is the selling price, and this is our product underscore tunnel. Okay, we are skipping now, and here is a short description. Yeah, sorry, let's copy these things because it's the same as like our table name, I think so. Okay, and yeah, all the things. Okay, okay, for the testing I just printed all the things into my in my print underscore r now, and also take echo. I think every developer should know about how to print or there's all the data if they want to test it. Okay, if I check this title. Okay, it's again this is the product underscore title. Okay, not like this. Okay, and okay, I forgot to refresh, so I just open and click on the save. And when I type and I click on the save, yeah, now it's working fine. When I choose the mobile and the brand name, uh, $1,500, and this is our discountable price. This is short description, and sorry about that. This is long description, and when I click on the save, this is our product title, ID. This is the brand ID, regular price, selling price, short description, and this is long description. Okay, if I choose the camera, and okay, there we have, there is no, okay, there is another brand. Now we have the different category id and the brand id. Now what it's time to save all the data into our database, and after that we are moving to the save the product thumbnail into our database and into our file. So what should I do? I take a object, create an object of this create class. So I already done that in the previous video, so I just copy these lines and paste it over here at the top of this code, and I just copy these things and paste it over here at the bottom of this instead of this. And I just need to put the table name at here. So what's the name of this table name? It's a products. So I just copy these things and paste it over here. And also I just send a response in the JSON code. So I just echo this is JSON encode and dollar data. Okay, I just change the name of this, which is the product underscore data, and I copy this and paste it over here as a second parameter. Now let's see and refresh. Now I click on the again it's a form, and I put a name which is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Ultra. Okay, I just put this name and select a category which is the mobile, and this choose the brand name which is Samsung, and I just type the regular price and 1150 dollar, and escaping the thumbnail data, short description, demo data. Let's copy this, and this is our long description domain data. And now click on this. I just click on the save. As you can see, we got the status of the one. Let's check in our database. When I open my browse and I click on the browse, now as you can see, we have the data of the product form, which is already saved in our database. Okay, and let's see in the console. Yeah, here we also got the status one. So what should I do when we got a status one? So I'm just going back to my jQuery action file. If response dot status, okay, yeah, sorry, if status equals to 1, then let's take a look on this main.js file. Yeah, I just copied this and save it. I paste it over here, and let's hide this model for the now. And I just again I take a thing and dot reset. Okay, now let's take a chance to look on that. Now I'm refreshing the page and put another data. This is the S8. Select the laptop. HP Innova. I just typing something else. Okay, anything. 500, and that's 1800 test, and there is the test. Now click on the save. Okay, so this result is not a function, and what have I done? Okay, I forgot to take the index key of the 0 of the form. Now I just save and refresh with a hard reload. So I just reload with the hard reload, and now I write add new product and take okay, let's choose the mobile Samsung, and there is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, I know this is not a Samsung. It's just it's a practice. And 2500, and this is that will be 1800. Test short description. Okay, test long description. Okay, now click on the save, and now it's all gone, and product is resetted, and when you open it's fully new refresh of product form. And when I check my browse, yeah, so as you can see we have the data of the iPhone 13 Pro Max into our database. And in the next video, what should I do? We in the next video we are working on the validation of the product form, and also store the product thumbnail into our storage folder and save into our database. And after that video we'll working on the add more thumbnails feature. So meet you soon in the next video, and stay with me. Happy coding. Thank you so much.